I'm sure you've heard the news. Volcanoes can be explosive. Let's uncover their fiery secrets. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, there's a hidden chamber filled with molten rock called magma. This magma is under immense pressure, constantly pushing upwards. As the pressure builds, cracks and fissures start to form in the crust. Think of it as a soda bottle that's been shaken up. The pressure has to escape somewhere. When the pressure becomes too much, boom! The magma shoots up through a main vent, bursting out as lava, ash and gas in a spectacular eruption. And it's not just lava. Volcanic eruptions can spew out ash clouds that travel miles, and gases that create stunning yet dangerous phenomena. So next time you see a volcano, remember, it's like a fiery soda bottle ready to pop. Nature's explosive show is all about pressure and release. Stay tuned for more fiery facts.